Welcome back. Time to show you how to edit for our class cinematic preset. Let's get started. First, let's go to Light. Change exposure to +30. Contrast to +50. Highlights to -70. Shadows to +35. Whites to +15. Blacks to +45. Next, go to Point Curve. Follow these steps to adjust the point curve. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button as it helps us create more content like this. On Sundays, check out our Dollar Tree DIYs. Tomorrow it's time to show you Class Cafe preset. Let's move on to color. Adjust the vibrance to +25 and the saturation to +15. Now let's dive into the color mixer. Go to Red. Hue to -25. Change the saturation to -20. Luminance to -15. Go to Orange. Set the hue to -25. Saturation to -10. Luminance to +10. Go to Yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -70. Go to Green. Hue to -40. Saturation to -100. Luminance to -10. Go to Aqua. Saturation to -100. Go to Blue. Saturation to -100. Go to Purple. Saturation to -100. Go to Magenta. Saturation to -100. Next, let's go to Effect. Clarity to +10. Dev Haze to +40. Vignette to -10. Go to Split Tone, change the hue to 225 and the saturation to 20 for the highlights. Then change the hue to 210 and saturation to 10 for the shadows. Go to detail. Sharpening to 15. Adjust the noise reduction to 15. Change the color noise reduction to 10. And we're done. You can copy these settings to any other photo like this. Or save a new preset like this, for easy access for future Lightroom edits. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments below a color style that you would like to see featured in a future video. See you in the next one.